So good morning all of you. In this video we are going to learn about relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. For this we will go to a small basic concept from 9th class. General form of a linear polynomial p of x is equal to ax plus b. If the polynomial is in this form, then if you substitute x equal to minus b by a, this will be equal to 0. This you learned in your 9th class. Okay, for example, we'll take one linear equation 3x plus 4. Here we can say a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Now what will be minus b by a? That is minus 4 by 3. So if you substitute minus 4 by 3 here in this linear equation, that should be equal to 0. So p of minus 4 by 3 is equal to 3 into x is minus 4 by 3 plus 4. So cancel 3 and 3. You are left over with minus 4 plus 4. So this is equal to 0. So this is the 0 value of linear polynomial 3x plus 4. Right. So now we'll go to quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial splitting the middle term also we have seen. Okay, we'll see that also. The general form of a quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So if we take an example, p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So if we compare these two in the place of a, what is the coefficient of x square? Here no number is there, that means you have 1. What is the coefficient of x? That is b is equal to minus 1 and the constant term is minus 6. Okay, we'll factorize this quadratic polynomial using splitting of middle term. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So splitting of middle term, we have to split minus 1 into two parts. How the two parts should be? If we add these two parts, we should get back minus 1, and if we multiply these two parts, we should get the product of a and c. A into c, 1 into minus 6, you will have to get minus 6. Sum of these two should be minus 1 and product of these two should be minus 6. So in that way we have to take. We can easily say that 2 3s are 6. Okay, product is 6. If you want minus 1, the bigger number should be minus 1. So 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So this is how we can split the middle term. Now this we can write it as x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. Okay, so x from these two we can take x as common, so x plus 2. From these two we can take minus 3 as common, so we'll get x plus 2. Now in these both terms you have x plus 2 as a common term, x plus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 3. So these are the factors of p of x, x square minus x minus 6. So factors means they divide this polynomial exactly, giving the remainder equal to 0. So this one of these two should be equal to 0. So that means if x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, or x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So this is alpha and this is beta. So these are the zeros of this given polynomial. Here from this we will try to establish a relationship between the coefficients and zeros. So what we have, the zeros, alpha is equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to 3, and coefficients a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 6. So First we will do here, we'll try to add both the zeros, alpha plus beta. What we have, alpha plus beta, minus 2 plus 3, so that is nothing but 1. So from this coefficients, how can we get back 1? Minus, if we do minus b by ac, minus of b is minus 1 and a is 1, so 1 by 1 is 1. So if you observe, these two are equal. Now if you do product of zeros, minus 2 into 3, that is nothing but minus 6. So if you do c by a, what is c? Minus 6 by a, 1. So this is minus 6. So you can easily say that sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots is equal to c by a. Okay, for the same we will try to do with another example. Next example is p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So coefficients a is equal to x square coefficient is 1, b is equal to x coefficient is minus 4, the constant c is 3. So we will try to split the middle term, minus 4. The product should be equal to 1 and 3, 1 into 3, 3. The product of these two should be equal to 3. So clearly we can take 1 3s are 3. Okay, so minus 4 means you have to take minus for both. So minus 1 plus minus 3 is minus 4, and minus 1 into minus 3 is 3. So we can write p of x as x square. Splitting this term, we will take minus x minus 3x plus 3. Now from these first two terms, we will take x common, x minus 1. We will take 3 common from these two, x minus 1. So from this 2, we will take x minus 1 common, we will get back x minus 3. So as we did in the previous one, we will try to equate x minus 1 equal to 0. So then x is equal to 1, or x minus 3 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 3. Okay, that means alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 3. Alpha plus beta, we will get 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And do minus b by a, what you will get? Minus of minus 4 by 1. You will get 4 by 1, 4. Product of roots, alpha into beta is equal to 1 into 3, 3. You get to c by a, we get 3 by 1, that is equal to 3. So therefore clearly we can say that sum of roots, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay, this is the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of a polynomial, right? Hope you are all clear with the concept. If you have any doubts, please try to post it in the comments box. Thank you.